In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email Substack effectively, depending on your specific needs. Whether you're seeking support or exploring career opportunities, it's essential to contact the right department for a swift response. Let's break down the various options available for getting in touch with Substack. If you need general support, be it for account management, subscription issues, or resolving technical glitches, emailing Substack at their dedicated support address is your best bet. This is the fastest route to ensure your query reaches the right department, allowing for an efficient resolution. Should your inquiry be about privacy matters or your privacy rights specific to your account, Substack provides a dedicated contact for these issues. You'll find precise assistance with any questions or requests concerning privacy, ensuring you understand where you stand on your rights and how your data is handled. For those who are writers interested in establishing independent publications on Substack, there's a site specifically designed for exploring paid opportunities. This is an excellent step if you're thinking of monetizing your content or broadening your platform's reach. You'll find a wealth of resources there to help you get started. Moreover, if joining Substack's dynamic team intrigues you, the jobs page is the ideal place to start. Here, you can stay informed about the latest openings and see if there's a role that aligns with your skills and professional aspirations. For even more in-depth help, Substack offers a support site filled with FAQs and tutorial-style walkthroughs. This user-friendly platform covers everything from setting up your profile to managing your subscriptions, making it a treasure trove of information you can utilize anytime. If your concern involves legalities, especially questions about Substack's terms of service, be sure to direct your inquiries to their terms team. They are best equipped to address any uncertainties you might have regarding the platform's policies and terms. This ensures that your questions are answered accurately and comprehensively. For those working in media or public relations, and needing to make press-related inquiries, Substack has set aside a specific contact for handling such requests. This ensures that your needs are promptly addressed by the right personnel. To top it all off, if you're simply looking for quick and direct answers to common questions, Substack offers a helpful chatbot. This digital companion provides immediate responses, guiding you towards the best possible solution without any wait time. These are the main avenues through which you can contact Substack, each designed to cater to your specific needs. By reaching out through the correct channels, you're ensuring your queries are managed efficiently, getting you the best possible assistance in a timely manner. Whether you're a writer, a potential team member, or a curious subscriber, these resources are here to support you every step of the way.